Radios over here at the Duffy 5-star supermarket, the Bottlemart Express. My favourite refrigerator is right here. The walk-in refrigerator back there. Let's check it out. Got pretty old concrete walls. Of course, a pretty old evaporator unit. This is a real cold evaporator. It says it right there. So yeah, it's pretty vintage. Of course, we have the drainage pipe right there. And of course, I think this here is the coolant injector. Yep, it is, yes, of course, with the coil back there. So yeah, nice little cool room, very old. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you next episode. Goodbye.